Hi, hello. Hi, Deepika Garu. Hi, girls. So, I'm sorry, YouTube, I'm not able to connect for some weird reason. So, that's the reason I have come here. Hi, Varsha. Jonit Anand. Hi, ma'am. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Spooty Jewels. Hi, Kartika. Hi, Shravya. So, hi, Pujita. So, many of you have lot of questions on how to order, and many of you ask us price please on. Am I audible now? So many of you are asking price please on our pictures. So I just wanted to tell you how actually we work. Thank you, Prasanna. Hi, Madhuvita. Hi, dear. Hi, Srinivas Garu. So koncham just a small explanation on how we actually work so that there will be no time waste for you. It's very easy, Andy. Instead of asking price please in below the pictures, because there will be 10 to 11 picture, approximately 10 pictures in one post. So what happens is when you ask for price please, I will not understand which price you are referring to. So the best way to reach us is please take this picture and just WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp number is everywhere in the page, in the stories, in the description, everywhere we are mentioning. So just take a screenshot of the pic you need and WhatsApp us, and we will definitely get back to you with prices. And once you are okay with the product, you can check the availability with us. If the product is available, it's so easy. You can make online payment like Google Pay, Phone Pay, or anything. You can make online payment. Bank transfer is there. And for people who are overseas, we have PayPal. We are a GST registered firm, so we even give GST bills for those needed, and we ship worldwide also. Apart from India, we ship worldwide also. For India, it is shipping free for some of the items which we show in YouTube. So all this will be discussed once the item is finalized. We will give you all the details. So if you are interested, you can make the payment and share the address with us. We will be shipping the products on the next day. So it's so easy for us if you can get back to us on WhatsApp, because our Insta DM is filled. Daily we are getting more than 500 inquiries of prices or anything. So sometimes there are chances of missing that. So I would kindly request you, please WhatsApp us on the given number 8904096099. It's so easy to reach us. We are available and we will respond to the queries also. There are so many people from Insta who are giving us orders, and thanks for them who really get back to us on WhatsApp. Okay na? So it's very easy. Please WhatsApp us instead of DMing or writing price please under the pictures. It's really easy. Okay, if anyone of you have any other queries on how to order or what kind of products we sell, you can go ahead and post the question. I am ready to answer them. Between that, we have lot of collection of Nakshi and Gutti Pusalu which is come readily in stock. Some beautiful collection. So we are trying to make some reels to understand the quality of the product, so that there's some music added to it, so that it reaches so many people. That is the main reason and intention of doing reels. And we have a very quite good products like traditional temple collection. Okay, a beautiful kasumala with beautiful ruby pendant. So beautiful temple collection we have, and we have lot of Nakshi collection. So anyone interested in any of the jewelry can definitely WhatsApp us and message us on the WhatsApp number. Compared to DM and Insta normal messages, we respond quickly on WhatsApp. Okay, so beautiful pieces have come. We are showing daily these in the live. So 8 p.m. in our YouTube channel, we have a live show wherein I wear the jewelry and I showcase them. So I would kindly request you all to subscribe our YouTube channel also, so that you can understand the length and how it looks when we wear the jewelry, and what are the prices, and for the latest collection also. So we have quite a few temple collection which is come today. Today I was supposed to show them, but due to network issue I am kicked out of YouTube. That's the reason I have come here. So such a beautiful rice pearls Nakshi set andi, chala beautiful and elegant set. So all these we showcase in YouTube. You can subscribe our channel and meet us. So daily there will be a live show. If you are interested, you can join our lives also. So it comes like this, a very beautiful chain with beautiful rice pearls. So we mentioned the quality of the product also, and many of you have questions about exchange and return policy. We don't have exchanges, we don't have returns, no cancellations, no refunds. So once the item is booked, we will deliver the products to you. So you have to make an unbox video. Okay, you have to make an unbox video to make sure that there is no defect for the given piece. So if there is any defect in the unbox video, we will definitely exchange the product and give a new product. So all these latest collection have come. So if you are interested, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That is the easiest way to see all these kind of jewelry. When we wear, you can understand the length and how it looks. Okay. So any other questions, please, I would kindly request to WhatsApp us. That is the only thing I wanted to say, instead of DMing or messaging. Okay. I hope I gave some information about how to order. If you still have any doubts, you can definitely reach us on WhatsApp. Okay. That's all, friends. This is a small information I wanted to give, because daily approximately we are getting 450 to 500 inquiries, those who do not follow our pages. So what happens when you are not following our pages? Your messages are going to a spam folder where it sits for quite few days. So that is the reason you are not getting replies. I would kindly request to follow our page and then post a question for us. So it directly comes to our inbox, and from there I can easily reply to your messages. Hi Ashwini. So if anyone is still, hi Geetanjali ma'am, I'm good. Hi Nitya, thank you Geetanjali. Hi Prashanti, hi Lakshmi ma'am, more clear. Yes ma'am, we do ship to USA. We do ship to USA, Australia, New Zealand, Europe, Denmark and Singapore, Abu Dhabi. So these are the main countries we do ship. We use DHL and Blue Dart couriers for the service. So hi Soumya. So if anyone needed GST bills also, we do provide GST bills for the purchases. You can reach us, because nowadays without GST bill and transaction for overseas is little complicated. So we are GST registered firm and we can give you the bills also. Hi Snigdha. Hi Sandhya. So I hope I am clear about the how to order, main question which was sitting in my inbox with quite few people asking how to order. Very simple way andi, maato order cheyali ante 8904096099 మా వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్. మీకు నచ్చిన ఐటమ్ పిక్ని ఈ వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్కి సెండ్ చేయండి, మేము మీకు రిప్లై ఇస్తాం. Okay, instead of DMing and messaging, it's so easy. And please, my humble request, do not accept anyone else's messages from our page. When we reply, it will be Spurti Jewel, so please see that name, because there are quite a few people who are answering on our page without our permission, and some people have lost money also. So please do not go to someone whom you don't know actually. Okay, Spurti Jewels ante Spurti Jewels e meeku reply chestamandi. So please, my humble request, koncham late aina kuda we will definitely reply. If someone else is pinging you and asking you, it's up to you, but there's no way Spurti Jewels involvement in it. Thank you Sangeeta. Okay friends, that's all for today. I wanted to say, please reach us on WhatsApp. It's so easy and it's so quick, and it's just online payment and address. You will receive your beautiful product in 3 to 5 working days if it is capital city. If it is within the limits also, it is 3 to 5 days. If it is somewhere inside the village, then it will be like 5 to 7 days. Okay. Hi Manasa, thank you dear, thank you so much. సో ఇది చెప్దామనే నేను ఈరోజు లైవ్ లాగిన్ అయ్యాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ ఆల్ ద టైమ్. ఇది IGTVలో కూడా అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను. దోస్ హూ సీ ఆల్సో విల్ కమ్ టు నో హౌ టు ఆర్డర్ విత్ అస్. Okay friends, for now I'll take leave, and some more beautiful collection reels will be posting. Please support us and do follow our page if you're not following. Okay, bye bye.